Binomial theorem. A few basic results. A plus x whole power n is equal to nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 plus and so on ncn a power 0 x power n. That is given by sigma r is equal to 0 to n ncr x power r into a power n minus r. A minus x whole power n is equal to nc naught a power n minus nc1 a power n minus x n minus 1 into x plus and so on. Sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r ncr into x power r into a power n minus r. The general term in the series of x plus y whole power n can be written as tr plus 1 is equal to ncr into x power n minus r into y power r. Or if it is of the form a plus x whole power n, then ncr into a power n minus r into x power r. Let x plus y whole power n is equal to nc naught x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into y plus and so on ncn x power n. Then the middle terms when n is even is given by r is equal to n by 2. The middle term t n plus 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 is given by nc n by 2 x power n by 2 y power n by 2. When n is odd, then r is of two forms, either n minus 1 by 2 or n plus 1 by 2 or n plus 1 by 2 n plus 3 by 2. Then t n plus 1 by 2 is equal to nc n minus 1 by 2 x power n plus 1 by 2 y power n minus 1 by 2. T n plus 3 by 2 is equal to nc n plus 1 by 2 x power n minus 1 by 2 y power n plus 1 by 2. The maximum value of NCR is NCn by 2 when n is even and NCn minus 1 by 2 or NCn plus 1 by 2 when n is odd. Properties of binomial coefficients. For the sake of convenience, the coefficients of nc0, nc1 and so on ncn are usually denoted by c0, c1 and so on cn respectively. Let 1 plus x whole power n is equal to nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2x square plus and so on ncn x power n. Then c0 plus c1 plus c2 and so on cn is equal to 2 power n. c0 minus c1 plus c2 minus c3 and so on minus 1 whole power n cn. That is, in place of x, when you substitute minus 1, it will become 0. ncr plus ncr minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 cr. ncr by ncr minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. r into ncr is equal to n into n minus 1 cr minus 1. ncr by r plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 cr plus 1 by n plus 1. Multinomial expansion. If the expansion of x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on xn whole power m, where m and n belongs to natural numbers and x1, x2, x3 and so on xn are independent variables, we have the total number of terms is equal to m plus n minus 1 c n minus 1. The coefficient of x1 power r1, x2 power r2, x3 power r3 and so on xn power r1 is m factorial by r1 factorial into r2 factorial and so on rn factorial. Here r1 plus r2 plus r3 and so on rn is equal to m. The sum of all coefficients is obtained by putting all the variables x1 is equal to 1, then it is n power m. Binomial theorem for positive index. That is, 1 plus x whole power n can be written as 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus and so on infinity when mod x is less than 1. The rth term can be written as tr plus 1 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on n minus r plus 1 by r factorial into x power r. 1 minus x power minus r can be written as 1 plus rx plus r into r plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus and so on. tr plus 1 is written as r into r plus 1 into r plus 2 and so on r plus n minus 1 by n factorial into x power n. The coefficient of x power n for this series can be written as n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1 or n plus r minus 1 c n. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n, r into NCR is given by n into 2 power n minus 1. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n, r square into NCR is equal to n into 2 power n minus 2 into n plus 1. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n, r cube into NCR is equal to n into 2 power n minus 3 into n square plus 3n. The numerically greatest terms of the series is given by, in the expansion x plus y whole power n, let tr plus 1 be the greatest term. Then tr plus 1 by tr is greater than or equal to 1 and tr plus 2 by tr plus 1 is less than or equal to 1. So n minus r by r plus 1 is less than or equal to x by y is less than or equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. Example, let us consider an example 3 power 1 by 5 plus 7 power 1 by 3 whole power 100. Let us find the total number of terms. Total number of terms for this expansion is 101. Now, how can we find the total number of irrational terms? So we can find the total number of rational terms and subtract it from the total terms. We get the total number of irrational terms. To get the total number of rational terms, first of all, let us find out the rth term. Tr plus 1 is 100 Cr 3 power 1 by 5 whole power 100 minus r into 7 power 1 by 3 power r. That is 100 Cr into 3 power 100 minus r by 5 into 7 power r by 3. For the terms to be rational, (100 minus r by 5 and r by 3) must be integers. So for these two, for being integers, we have r is 0, both are integers. 15, both are integers. For 30, both are integers. 60, both are integers. For 45, both are integers. For 75 and for 90. That is, we have 7 rational terms. Since the total number of irrational terms are the total number of terms are 101, therefore total irrational terms here are 101 minus 7, that is 94. Thank you. Function can be easily defined with the help of the concept of mapping. Let x and y be any two non-empty sets. A function from x to y is a rule or correspondence that assigns to each element of set x and one and only one element of set y. A mapping f is mapping to x to y is said to be a function if each element in the set x has its image in set y. It is possible that a few elements in set y are present which are not the images of any element in set x. Let the number of functions or mappings from A to B is equal to n power m, where n is the number of elements in B and m is the number of elements in A. Types of functions. 1 function. Let A and B two finite sets containing m and n. When f is mapping from A to B with having a distinct images in B, then the number of 1 functions is npm when n is greater than or equal to m and 0 when n is less than m. Many one function. A mapping f is mapping from A to B if two or more elements of set A have image in set B is called many one function. Onto. When f is mapping from A to B with B has its image of at least one element of A, it is called an onto function. For a function to be onto, the range of f should be the codomain of f. The number of onto functions is 2 power m minus 2 into F is mapping from A to B if at least one element in B has no pre-image in A. That is, the function should not be an onto, that is called an into function. If F is both injective and surjective, then it is a bijective function. A constant function. The range of a function F consists of only one number, then F is called a constant function. Absolute or modulus function. Y is equal to modulus of x is x when x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus x when x is less than 0. Signum function. Y is equal to signum function is mod x by x or x by mod x when x does not belong to 0. 0 if x is equal to 0. The number of relations is given by 2 power n into a cross b minus n of b power n of a. Greatest integer function. Greatest integer function indicates the integral part of x which is the nearest and smaller integer to x. In general, when n is less than or equal to x less than n plus 1. The greater integer x is n. A few properties. GAF of x plus greatest integer function of minus x is equal to minus 1 when x does not belong to integers and 0 when x belong to integers. GAF of x is less than or equal to k, then x is less than k plus 1. Greatest integer function of x plus greatest integer function of x plus 1 by n and so on. X plus n minus 1 by n is nx. Fractional part function. Y is equal to fractional part of x. Fractional part of x is equal to x minus step x. Then y is equal to step x, that is x minus n when n is less than or equal to x less than n plus 1. Fractional part of x is x when x lies between 0 and 1 and step x is 0 when x belongs to integers. Step of minus x. Fractional part of minus x is 1 minus fractional part of x when x does not belong to integers. Odd function. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x when x belong to real numbers. An even function. F of minus x is equal to f of x when x belong to real numbers. Periodic function. A function f of x is said to be periodic if there exists a positive real number t such that f of x plus t is equal to f of x for all x belong to real numbers. Functional equations. Let f of x be the polynomial of degree n and satisfies f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x for all x belong to real numbers is plus or minus x power n plus 1. That is, f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. Equal or identical functions. Two functions f and g are said to be equal or identical if it follows the two conditions. That is, domain of f is equal to domain of g, f of x is equal to g of x for all x belongs to its domain. For example, when f of x is x square and g of x is root x and both has a domain of minus infinity to plus infinity, those two functions are called equal or identical functions. Inverse of a function. If f is mapping from a to b is a bijective, then the relation, the set b to a or a to b belongs to f. Such function is called an inverse function. If a function is invertible, then it is definitely said to be surjective function. Thank you for watching.